Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Open After Effects and import your green screen footage into a new composition. Use a matching composition frame rate like 24 FPS or 29, 97 FPS for stability. Confirm the green is evenly lit and the subject is at least 6 feet away. Avoid shadows and wrinkles on the fabric to simplify the keying process. Shoot with a clean exposure. Keep ISO low and use even lighting. Record a reference color chart or a color bar frame if possible. Now move this footage into Step 2 for keylight setup and removal. Select the footage layer and apply effect keying keylight 1. 2. Use the screen color eyedropper to sample the most neutral green area. Set screen gain to 50% initially to preview the alpha channel with contrast. Switch view to screen matte and increase clip black until edges disappear. Increase clip white to bring back interior detail while preserving clean edges. Use screen softness and screen shrink to refine hair and thin edges. Toggle view to final result and adjust screen matte values for best composition. Back in final result, use screen gain and dispill bias to remove spill. Set dispill bias to the subject's skin tone, sampled by the eyedropper tool. Add a hue correct or curves effect for matching foreground to background lighting. Feather the edge with matte choker or feather 3 to 5 pixels. Add motion blur and subtle grain to blend frames realistically. Pre-compose the keyed layer and export with ProRes or H. 264 for final delivery. This keylight workflow is the only reliable way for professional green screen compositing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.